Good evening everyone. I am Linda Rossi. My register number is UR15CS223. Today we are going to see the third lab exercise program in data structures. So I have done a program which is used to check whether the entered string is a palindrome or not. I have used the application of stack in this. So now first initially I have declared the header file. So the first header file is #include iostream. So now this enables the data transfer between the cin and cout statements to the output and the input files. And then the next is I am giving the string.h header file. So now this contains all the functions related to string, and then I am giving #include of stack.h. So now this actually it has the predefined functions like push, pop and everything in it, and I am implementing this the usage of stack in this program. Then I am using namespace std, and then I am opening the main of function. In the main of function I am declaring the required variables, that is word and then character C. So now I am asking the user to enter a word and I am storing it in the variable word. And then now here I am giving stack of a character, that is C and st. Okay, so that is the stack name. And then after that here I am using a loop. So for int I is equal to 0, word is less than word dot size I plus plus. So now this size of this is a function which is used to calculate the size of the, that is the length of the string. So this loop runs according to the length of the string. And then I am giving C. So this character is equal to word at of I. So now when it is in the 0th position, the first letter of the word is stored in I, and then the second word, and each of this letter is pushed into the stack. And then I am giving the true condition, the boolean true condition is palindrome, and I am saving that. And then I am using another for loop in which I am declaring a variable in the auto scope, that is the auto variable. A is equal to word dot begin of. So now the begin of has the beginning of the word, and then I am giving a check condition as this is true and if it is not, empty. So if the stack is empty, no elements can be popped out from that. So this loop runs only when the stack is has some elements in it, and then I am incrementing a after the end of each loop. And then after that I am giving is palindrome is equal to *k. So now auto can store it as a variable, and we can even access the address of the variable, and we are writing we are checking whether that is equal to stack dot top of. So now this function is used to access the next element of the stack, and then we are pushing all the elements of the stack out, and we are checking whether the entered string is equal to the string which is popped out. And then if this condition satisfies, here I am using the conditional operator, that is a question mark and the is to sign. So now first I am checking whether the word, and I am giving colon, I am entering the word, and then this condition I am giving suppose is palindrome. If it is true condition, it just prints the word is a palindrome, and if the not gets executed, then it prints the word is not a palindrome. So now I am going to compile the program. So we are asked to enter a word. So we are getting the output that fish is not a palindrome. So now let me show you another output. It is displayed that noon is a palindrome. Thank you.